Hey everyone! Today we're going to be talking about one of the more unique birds in the animal kingdom, the crane. These birds are known for their elegance, beauty, and unique characteristics that make them stand out from other birds. So let's get started learning all about cranes. So what are cranes? Cranes are a type of bird that belong to the family Gruidae. There are 15 different species of cranes found in different parts of the world, such as North America, Europe, Africa, and Asia. They are large birds with long legs, long necks, and broad wings. One of the most distinctive features of cranes is their long necks. These long, thin necks allow them to reach deep into water or tall grasses to find food. They also have long legs that enable them to walk through shallow water or mud with ease. Additionally, cranes have broad wings that help them to soar through the air and reach impressive heights. Their feathers are often a mix of gray, black, and white, and some species have vibrant patches of red on their heads. Cranes are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet typically includes insects, small mammals, fish, and plants such as grains and berries. Some species of cranes, like the sandhill crane, are known for their impressive migration patterns, traveling hundreds of miles to find food sources. Cranes can be found in a variety of habitats, including wetlands, grasslands, and forests. Some species, such as the saurus crane, are adapted to living in agricultural fields and are often found near rice paddies in Asia. Cranes are monogamous, meaning they mate with one partner for life. During the breeding season, they perform elaborate courtship dances, which often involve the birds jumping, flapping their wings, and making loud calls. Once the female lays her eggs, both parents take turns incubating them until they hatch. The chicks are precocial, meaning they're born with their eyes open and can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. Cranes have played an important role in many cultures throughout history. In Japan, the crane is considered a symbol of good fortune and longevity, and is often depicted in traditional artwork. In Native American culture, the sandhill crane is revered as a sacred bird, and its feathers are often used in rituals and ceremonies. The crane has also been featured in many works of literature, including the famous fable of the crane and the fox. Unfortunately, many species of cranes are endangered or threatened due to habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these birds and their habitats. Some organizations, like the International Crane Foundation, work to conserve crane populations and their habitats through research, education, and outreach programs. And that's it for today's video on cranes. These birds are truly fascinating creatures with unique physical characteristics, complex social behaviors, and cultural significance. By learning more about these birds and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty of cranes in the wild. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and to join us next time as we learn about another amazing animal.